Something happened recently that honestly left me emotional in a way I didn't expect. Not scared, not confused, just deeply moved. I wasn't trying to connect with anything. I wasn't calling on any angels. I was just sitting quietly, feeling overwhelmed with life. And then this sudden wave of clarity washed over me, so gentle but so powerful that it made my eyes water instantly. Because I am claircognizant, moments like this hit me all at once. Not words, not visions, just truth. A truth that lands so heavily in your heart that you can't shake it off. And this one felt like Archangel Gabriel reaching through the noise. Before I share what came through, if you want to support this work or explore products created with real sincerity and universal intention, you can visit astralkarma.com. There's a donation option too. Everything is in the description below. Now let's get to the message. The first thing that hit me was not a message. It was emotion. A very specific kind of emotion. The kind that comes right before a breakthrough. It felt like Archangel Gabriel was showing me the feeling you get when life is about to change. But you don't see it yet. And then the clarity dropped in my mind. You are closer than you think. It didn't feel like a general message for everyone. It felt like something meant for someone who's been silently struggling. Someone who's been strong for too long. Someone whose heart is tired but still hoping. Then another wave came. Your breakthrough hasn't been delayed. It's been protected. That line hit me so hard, I had to just sit with it. Protected, not blocked, not denied. Protected from people who weren't ready to honor it. Protected from situations that would have broken it. Protected from versions of you that weren't ready to carry it. Then the message went deeper. Before Christmas, something you thought you lost forever returns in a new form. It might be hope, it might be peace, it might be clarity, it might even be a chance you thought was gone. But the energy was clear. Something is returning. And the last part, the part that made me emotional, was this. Tell them, I have seen their tears. None of them were wasted. It wasn't dramatic. It wasn't loud. It felt like the softest, most comforting truth I have ever received. If you are listening to this, I want you to take a breath. Just one slow breath. Visualize a pillar of Archangel Gabriel's pure white light surrounding you. You don't have to fight for your breakthrough. You just have to be open enough to receive it. Feel that heavy weight lifting off your shoulders. That blockage is gone. It is done. You are ready for Christmas. Take one last breath, sealing this protection in. Thank you for receiving this truth. Because if this touched you, even slightly, maybe it's because something in your life is finally turning. Maybe you have been holding on just a thread. Maybe you have been praying in silence, hurting in silence, hoping in silence, and maybe this is the universe's way of telling you you didn't go through all that for nothing. Your breakthrough isn't coming from outside. It's rising from within you. And Archangel Gabriel's message wasn't a warning, it was a reassurance. Something beautiful is on its way to you before this Christmas. Share this with someone who needs comfort, not motivation, but comfort. Because sometimes the most powerful miracles begin with a single moment of being understood. Thank you for being here with me. I am Goldburst. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe now. Your support motivates me a lot. Merry Christmas to you in advance. Ever felt like something unseen is holding you down? You try, but nothing moves. Tension, exhaustion, strange misfortune. This ritual clears what your eyes can't see. Envy, curses, karmic residue. You will feel lighter, protected, untouched by chaos. Luck shifts, peace returns. Cleanse your field. Begin your astral Reiki now.